This is the ultimate video to unlock full performance using Ally X with the GTBOX eGPU 3080 TFE. Are you struggling to get your games or apps running at their best? The problem happens because Windows and the eGPU don't always link correctly, and default settings often limit power and speed. Most guides you find online are long, confusing, and full of steps that don't even work. On Rexist, we found a secret simple trick that fixes this instantly, adjusting the eGPU connection settings and enabling the high-performance mode inside Ally X. This method boosts frame rates, reduces lag, and lets your 3080 TFE run at its maximum potential without complicated tweaks. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to click and change. Comment below if you want to do that, and make sure to follow Rexist for more easy tech fixes that actually work.